All right, so I don't know if I ask about this enough, but do you guys find the comment section of these videos helpful? I try my best to respond to all of them. So if there's topics you want me to start either in the community section of YouTube or in the comments, or you have questions, leverage the comments. I would really love to engage with all of you and hear from you guys about the types of videos or the things you need help with. And the comments or the community tab, I try to post there a couple times a week, are the best way to do it. So drop me a line. I would really love to hear from you. Anyways, today we're reviewing the Fiverr profile of a seller called DutchByDesign. She is an interior designer, and honestly, really cool. I have not yet reviewed the profile of an interior designer on this channel yet, so really stoked to do it. She's from the Netherlands, and she mentions in her profile that she brings, that unique, Dutch kind of design mantra and style to her clients, and she's got a really cool portfolio. So excited to get into this one. Okay, here we go. We are reviewing DutchByDesign. So first off, great headshot. It looks like you have your company branding there as well. I think that's fantastic. Your bio says you do beautiful interior plans for home and small businesses. Awesome. So you're an interior designer, it sounds like, and so far the profile's looking good. Also, just want to point out and shout out here, 222 5-star reviews. Fantastic. I know, so just to give you guys some background, she submitted this profile to me to review months ago, and I've been super busy, but she's been crushing it. So awesome work. From the Netherlands, been a member since 2017, fast response time, recent delivery. Let's read the description. DutchByDesign is a small interior design studio nestled in the history-rich town Leeuwarden in the Netherlands. The Netherlands is world famous for its beauty in interior design. Headed by a seasoned decorator, Kelly Marie, with 25 years of experience in color and furnishings, she is passionate about creating unique, beautiful spaces for all and leads a small team in her studio where her interior magic happens. Her designs are unique, along with how she delivers her work in their custom-made templates. Find DutchByDesign on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, or find them on Google. Fantastic. This is an awesome description. This is like the best description I could imagine for this. It tells a story. I get the vibe that she's passionate about what she does. She's got experience. She does good work. She gives a little bit of background on why the Netherlands is a hub for design and innovation. Great description. I think that's fantastic. All right, so which one did she want me to do? So I'll just go with this one. It seems like it's the most popular. So it says, I will give a professional interior decorating design service. I think that's a great subject line. And given the fact that you've gotten so many orders and you have 2 orders in the queue, something's working here. So I'm going to be very careful with the advice I give because you've already kind of figured it out a little bit, it sounds like. So let's watch this profile. Okay, so fantastic. I mean, it's a minute long, and I feel like, and not that I feel like, I know she seems like it's a professional, it is a business that she runs in the Netherlands. I feel in good hands. If I were looking for interior design services, this video goes through everything: 2D, 3D, floor plans, bird's eye view, kids' rooms, patios. Seems like she can do it all. Really showcases her ability as a designer. I think that's a great portfolio piece. And then you kind of click through here and it kind of goes into more of that. So amazing portfolio, really good job. Let's read the description. Please contact us before placing an order so we understand your needs fully. Based on work from our website, but exclusively discounted for Fiverr. So I think that's pretty cool to say.
A perfect gig for conventional furnishings based on your preferences and budget. Simple steps are all it takes. 1. Pick a plan that is right for you. Did you need a small plan or a big plan? Also, think of how much you want to spend. Then click continue. Okay, cool. 2. Order, take photos, and tell us. Once you have ordered, fill out our simple questionnaire. We also ask you to upload your photos and inspiration pictures. Take your time. 3. Let the magic happen. Once we have all the information, we go to work. We may contact you for small details on delivery. We present you with your own personal PDF folder. Need some changes? No worries. We offer one free revision for your satisfaction. Cool. I like that she only offers one revision. That's same like me. I hate unlimited revision, so that's really cool, and that's going to protect you down the road. Why Dutch by Design? Interior experts from a studio in Leeuwarden, Netherlands, with over 25 years of experience. We believe that great interiors do not need to be difficult or expensive with smart choices and savvy design techniques. World's best, Netherlands is ranked #1 for interior design. Just take a look at our Instagram, get in touch, or get a touch of Dutch in your space. This is a great gig. I mean, she knows it. I know it. I think you guys know it. This is a great Fiverr profile and a great gig. You figured it out. You offer fantastic services. You've been saved 1,200 times. That's awesome. Fantastic. Honestly, good work. Thank you so much for submitting your profile. I don't have any tips. Like, you're doing a great job. People, if anyone's interested in getting into interior design on Fiverr, this is a great profile to use as an example. So thank you so much for submitting.
All right, so if you're watching this and you're like, oh, I didn't know I could sell graphic or interior design services on Fiverr, you can. And this is a prime example of how you can do that. So I wish you luck. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or things you want me to focus on. And until next time, cheers.